and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I'm going to be doing an old video that I have done previously. This is actually my most viewed video at the minute, and it is the mini DINO braid, which is basically just a Dutch braid that just goes up your pattern like this. I've had so many comments asking for us to do a slower version of this, so this is what I'm going to be showing you today. So all I used in this video was my compact tangle teaser just to get rid of any knots and brush through my hair first. Then I used my Amiga texture gloss just to get all the baby hairs together at the front and keep them all really neat. This works amazing for that. And then just a regular comb just to section off the parts that you want to braid. And then I just use these crocodile clip style clips just to section off these side bits here to keep the pattern nice and neat. Also, just wanted to quickly say before I start this tutorial, you'll see while I'm braiding, I'm bringing a strand down the front. I am keeping this held tight using my mouth. Now this sounds disgusting, but honestly it works so well. It just keeps every strand of the braid nice and tight, which makes an overall neater braid. So I'm just going to zoom you in and slow this down. If you'd like to see this tutorial, then just keep watching. big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Also, any video recommendations, please leave them down below and I'll have a little look through them. Thanks for watching.